A is for an antelope, red and quick and bright, leaping over tiny rocks, happy with delight.
B is for bear, brown and big and strong, dancing in the forest shade, humming a silly song.
C is for crocodile, green from nose to tail, splashing in the river water, gliding without fail.
D is for deer, golden spots that gleam, running fast through morning light, graceful like a dream. A, B, C, come sing with me, colors shine and play, animals in rainbow hues, learning every day.
E is for elephant,
Gray and very tall, trumpeting a loud hello to friends both big and small.
F is for fox, orange fluffy coat, tiptoeing through leafy woods, quiet as a boat.
G is for giraffe, yellow patches high, stretching up to nibble leaves closer to the sky.
H is for hippo, purple just for fun, splashing in the muddy pool, cooling in the sun.
I is for iguana, lime green scaly skin, climbing trees with gentle steps, peeking with a grin.
J is for jaguar, spotted brown and gold, sneaking softly through the brush, fearless, brave and bold.
K is for kangaroo, tan and super fast, hopping over desert dunes, each jump built to last.
L is for lion, golden royal mane, roaring proudly on a rock, king of every plain.
M is for monkey, brown and full of cheer, swinging branches left and right, laughing ear to ear.
N is for nightingale, blue and sweet and small, singing songs at twilight time, the loveliest of all.
O is for owl, snowy white at night, watching from a treetop high with round eyes shining bright.
P is for parrot, rainbow in the air, flapping wings of many hues, color everywhere.
Q is for quail, soft gray feathers neat, marching with its family, little tiny feet.
R is for rhino, steel gray like a shield, stomping proudly all day long across the dusty field.
S is for snake, emerald smooth and long, sliding through the grassy ground, hissing a quiet song.
T is for tiger, orange stripes that glow, creeping through the jungle path, silent as the snow.
U is for unicorn, fun fantasy friend, pink and sparkling bright, prancing under moonlit skies, magic every night.
V is for vulture, dark brown wings spread wide, gliding with the mountain winds on nature's gentle ride.
W